Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I am Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll create a stunning black French with some flowers on top. So to start this design, I'm going to apply 2 layers of this gorgeous shade called Birthday Suit. I love that name, by the way. It's got a beautiful kind of pinky, peachy undertone. It's perfect for, dark skin and medium tones as well. It's brilliant. I'm gonna apply that all over the nail. So we've got our nail over here cured. I'm going to apply a little bit of Cerise Black on my palette, and just a little bit, and then I'm going to use the same brush from the bottle just to kind of paint the lower section of the nail, just to speed things up. I'm going to just take it. I keep dropping stuff all the time, guys. Slippery fingers, yes. I'm gonna just apply a little bit, take a little bit of Cerise Black, and then I'm gonna start just mapping out how I want the French to go. Now, just so you know, I've also done a video previously with the acrylic pigment, if you remember, Drew, on how to draw a French properly if you're struggling. So we can link that up here somewhere and you can have a look at that if you need some guidance. But I'm freehanding this one today. Freestyling it.
Looks good.
Feeling confident today, so I'm just gonna paint that, make sure it looks nice and even, and then we're going to go ahead and cure this bad boy. A little bit here. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. For this design, I'm going to be using 3 colors. I don't know why I chose these 3 in particular, but I think it looks gorgeous next to each other. So I'm going to be using Buttercup, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that on my palette. I'm also going to be using Guilt Trip, and I'm going to dab a little bit on my palette as well. I love this blue. It's just such a gorgeous blue, honestly. And we've got Kabuki, which is a stunning, it's kind of a corally color. I don't know if you can get this goodness on the camera, but these colors are gorgeous. So for this design, I'm going to be using a dotting tool because it will help me just map out the flowers, and it will make my life easier and yours using that. So I'm going to dip on to the Kabuki first, I think, and I'm going to start mapping out a circle with the dots. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply dots in a circular shape. And now what I want to be doing is just apply another dot in the center, and that will kind of mark up where I should pull those dots inwards. So I'm going back into my detailing brush, and I'm just going to dip it slightly just to kind of shape it before, and all I'm going to do is just pull in those dots inwards, just like so. I love this design. It's super simple, but it looks so beautiful when it all comes together.
It's such an easy way to paint a flower, isn't it?
Really, right? I love it. And it's good to have those dots as a guide as well.
Yeah.
Because it kind of shapes the edges of the petals for you already, so you don't have to kind of do too much work.
And everything, doesn't it?
Exactly. I'm going to pop this into the lamp just for about 20 seconds because I want to layer the flowers. So we've flash cured this. Well, not flash cured, but kind of cured it. And I'm going to go into the next color. I'm just going to give my dotting tool a bit of a wipe because it has a little bit of pink on it. I'm going to go ahead and probably pick up, what is it called? Guilt Trip? Yes. So I'm going to paint this circle slightly larger this time because I want it to go on top of the pink a little bit. Not that I have a problem with pink, like, But
The fact that you have to say, I don't have a problem with pink, makes me think you do have a problem with pink.
no, it's actually, I'm warming up to that color. I've had a set of nails that was pink last week, if you remember. I'm just gonna pull in the color again. They're so cute. So we've got our second flower ready, and I'm gonna pop this into the lamp before we add some more flowers. So we're going in for the third color now. Again, picking Buttercup with my dotting tool, and I'm going to just do, there's a little bit of fluff over here. I'm going to do a flower on the edge, so you won't really see much of it. And then I'm gonna do another flower again over here. We could actually add another color, you know. Should we, Drew? I think we should.
You think so?
I'm going to pick up the pink and just do it here as well. Pink again. So I'm gonna do it here. Lovely. And then I'm gonna use my detailing brush again and just pull in the color. And again, because this is like half a flower, then you can just pull the color straight through. Okay, I'm gonna have to add another one. You know that, Drew.
Another one?
Another one. Look, there's a little bit of space missing here, so I might just do a little bit of blue on the edges because I've done the flowers quite small. So, you know, you want it to look nice, right? If you do the flowers slightly larger, you won't have to do as much work. Just gonna pull it in here. There we go.
Very nice.
I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we're gonna top coat it for you guys. So our nail over here is ready. I'm going to apply our Urban Graffiti top coat. I swear I need a new bottle already. Just a nice thin layer over this goodness to seal it in. And then I'll show you the final look. So simple, but so effective. Honestly, beautiful nail. And this is the final result, guys. I've done this smile line quite up, but I've done another one earlier on, so you can have a look and get an idea of what a set could look like. Yes, I have done this one with larger flowers. And to save myself a little bit of time, I did, yeah. But, you know, everyone cheats a little bit, you know.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like this design. I really do.
That's lovely.
It's beautiful. I want to wear it on myself right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you all on the next one. Take care, guys.